Good morning, people! Today's Sunday and mag-ready tayo. So, get ready with me. Watching na sa labas ng door, naghihintay. Alright, I did my toner. So, we're gonna do my serum. Say good morning, people. Good morning. Nandito na siya. Napakakulit. Kanina pa kami gising, guys. Mga 9 pa. Tapos, 11 na ngayon. Ngayon pa lang kami bababa. Nakakatamad bumangon. Ang lamig kasi sa room namin. Pero guys, sa labas, hindi malamig. Mainit. Punta tayo ng time zone kasi request tong batang to. Si Daddy today, may competition sila. Nagbabay si Daddy kaninang umaga. Sabi niya gusto niya din sumama kasi gusto niya mag-time zone. So sabi ko, sige, we can go. Pero hindi dun sa city. Dito lang 15 minutes away sa amin na mall. Meron silang time zone. Midland Shopping Center.
Mommy, so
yes.
you know which pink one I put?
Maybe in that triangle. Sabi ni Daddy, sa city na lang. Wow. Para makapunta daw kami dun sa game niya after. Sabi ko, layo. Gusto ko naman, pero like, ang layo. Tapos, ang bilis lang ni Mia matapos maglaro, guys. Kasi yung ina-after naman niya kasi, yung yung mga toys doon. Pag after namin maglaro. Kasi gusto niya yung mga toys, yung makukuha niya lang toys. Yun lang yung excited siya. Dito na lang 15 minutes away sa amin para makapunta kami sa Target. Kasi merong akong dress niya na binili before na merong security tag. Na hindi pa nakuha yung security tag hanggang ngayon. So, thank you. Is this mine?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Now it's in pink. Transform to pink transform.
Wow. Your Mini Force pink? Siya na si Mini Force pink.
Pink.
Your Mini Force pink?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm done with my makeup. Ayan. Magbihis lang ako and I'll do my hair. So, yeah. That's it. And ito pala guys yung mga nakuha kong makeup sa aking drawers na kailangan ko nang itapon. Napakadami nila. Ito ang tagal-tagal ko na hindi nagamit. Ito punong-puno pa siya. Yung Mario Badescu ko guys. Tagal na to. Expire na siya eh. Kaya punong-puno pa siya. Ito yung mga foundation. Hindi ko na siya nagagamit guys. May Milani Conceal pa ako. Paborito kong foundation dito is yung Born This Way. Sana ba yun? Tsaka of course yung mga... You wanna wear a dress? Okay. NARS, ito paborito ko din to. This is the... Ano ba tong... All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Paborito ko yan. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Kaya lang matagal na yan. Expire na yan, guys. And ito din. Maganda din to. Mahilig ako sa NARS. Tsaka, ito yung mga isa sa mga ginagamit ko. NARS. Of course, may MAC. Kaya lang hindi ko na to shade ngayon. Ito yung Studio Fix Fluid. NC30 to eh. Medyo dark pa ako before. So, I use that. Hindi siya shade ko ngayon. And then, we have... the Born This Way, and this is my really favorite one. Ni-review ko to before nung nag-start pa ako ng mag-makeup video. Too Faced Born This Way. Paborito ko to guys. Kita nyo, parang paubos na talaga siya kasi grabe talaga ako magamit nito before. Inaaraw-araw ko to. Light beige siya. Too Faced. Yan. I really love this. So, isa yan sa mga paborito ko. Ito very light. Ano to siya eh? Korean. Double lasting. And ito din yung primer na ginagamit ko before, Fenty Beauty. Pero kasi hindi na talaga ako nagpa-foundation. Minsan-minsan na lang pag may occasion. So, ayun. Ang dami kong itatapon. Ayan. May mga Estee Lauder kong powder. Paborito ko din yan. Very nice yan na powder. Tarte na mga mascara. Hindi ako masyadong nagmamascara. So, yung gamit ko lang talagang mascara ngayon is yung paborito ko, which is the... dito, Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara Long Curling. Yung Clio, yung kanyang brand. Ayan. Korean makeup to guys. So, ito na lang yung mga natira na ginagamit ko. So, ayan sila. We have, this hindi ko pa na-try. I got this from the Philippines. Yan. Ito pa, ubos na. Ang dami kong concealer na hindi pa nagagamit. And ito yung everyday ko na ginagamit. So, dyan ko siya nilagay sa isang pile. So, andyan na lahat. My sunscreen, my BLK na for my eyebrows. And I really love this. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Yan. Blush, my pen eyeliner. Ayan, yung Mergly Coffee Brown. And I love the other, tinapon ko na din siya eh. Meron akong paboritong isa nito. So, yeah, I really like that one as well. Pero ito kasi, mabibili ko siya dito sa shop. And yung eyeliner na gustuhan ko before is kailangan ko siya bilhin sa online. Sa Yestal ko yung nabili eh. And yeah, ito yung everyday ko dito. So, yan. And yeah, ito pa yung mga hindi ko nagagamit. Yan, may have ColourPop. Ako, paborito ko din yung ColourPop. Kaya madami akong ColourPop products dito, guys. So, yeah, mga beauty blenders ko, hindi ko naman nagagamit. Setting spray, and ito, hindi ko masyado nagagamit kasi parang hindi ko siya shade. So, yeah, perfect cover. Maganda din siya, guys. Parang hindi ko lang talaga siya shade. Light beige siya, pero umiiba yung kulay niya sa skin ko. And ito, yung mga blush ko, highlighter, bronzer, and powder. Yung iba, hindi ko pa nagamit na powder. Ito yung BLK All Day Powder. Bibili ni Fit Me. Ito yung mga powder na ginagamit ko. And ito, hindi ko pa na-try. BLK Butterscotch Airy Matte Cushion Foundation. Meron na siyang SPF 15. Infused with 5% niacinamide. Hindi ko din siya nagagamit pa. But my current favorite na blush is this Tarte. The shade, ito yung gamit ko ngayon, Expose. So, nandyan siya sa mga blush na side. I love those. Ito yung hindi ko pa natapos. Ay, ito pala tapos na. So, ito na lang yung tinira kong foundation, guys. Ito, bago lang to. Pero, mag 1 year na to for sure. Yan. Ito yung mga tinira ko. Nawala akong ano na to. Ito yung double wear na Estee Lauder. Nawala ko yung lid niya. And ito din, Stay Matte. Mahilig din ako bumili ng Maybelline. Ito bigay sa akin ng friend ko, Lancome. Kaya lang hindi niya daw shade. Hindi ko din siya shade, pero mas maganda daw siya gamitin as contour. Ito, Tarte. Tarte din to. Ito puting-puti sa akin. Foundation siya, guys. Pero feeling ko puting-puti siya. Kaya lang, hindi niya pa time to go. Ayan. So, ito maganda din to. Acer Maple Water. Maganda to siya sa skin. Parang moisturizer siya na serum. So, yun na natira. Before punong-puno to. As in, yung drawer na to. So, diba, nag-makeup haul. Ito, hindi ko pa na-go through. So, i-go through ko pa yan. And dito yung mga lipsticks ko na super tagal na. $1 pa ako, diba? Na hindi ko na nagagamit. This is all the MAC. Maybelline to for sure. Meron din pang Pilipinas. So, this one, Sunny's Face. Yung mga ganyan. Sunny's Face too for sure. May Happy Skin din ako. I think this one's from Happy Skin. And this one, yung Gigi Hadid pa na line na hindi ko nagagamit talaga. Oh my gosh. Ang dami ko kailangang itapon na hindi ko nagagamit. Yan, ito kay Kylie pa to. Oh my gosh, yung nag-makeup pa ako nito before. Kylie Jenner ba? Matte lipstick. Ay, ewan ko na lang. Yan, i-go through natin yan pag may time tayo. Ngayon, wala pa tayong time. So, meron pa tayong mga... Ito, paborito ko to, guys. Zoeva na brand. Ito yung pang-contour ko before. See? Gamit na gamit ko yan. Kaya lang yung ibang shade hindi ko nagagamit. And all the... palette. So, for my eyes, eyeshadow palette. Nandito, guys. So, hindi ko na din sila masyado nagagamit. Nandito lang talaga sila. O, diba? Meron pa akong paganito ng Benefit. Defined and refined brows. Nakabox talaga to na binili ko. Ayan. Hindi ko na alam anong laman yan. But, andyan lang siya. Yeah. Eyelashes ko nandito din. Mga binili kong bago pero hindi ko nagagamit. Ito isa sa mga paborito ko yung binili ko kay Kylie. The Burgundy Palette. One of my favorite din. Ayan. Kaya hindi ako masyado nag-eyeshadow. Pag may tawag dito. Ganap. Occasion. Doon ako nag-eyeshadow. But hindi ko siya nagagamit talaga. So, yan. Pinapak-away ko sa kanya yung mga toys niya, guys. Kasi kagabi, hindi na ako bumaba dito. So, di ko na alam yung sitwasyon ng bahay. But, it is so messy. Mga toys niya everywhere. Nasa table, nasa big table. So, hindi niya napakaway. So, sabi ko, pakaway mo before tayo umalis. Yung kanyang, ano yan? Microwave. Nasa TV na. Tapos, I'll do her hair pa before we go. And baka doon na lang kami mag-lunch. 12:30 na, oh. Doon na lang kami mag-lunch sa mall. Put it in the basket, quick. Alright, so ito lang yung suot natin today. Dress. Ayan, ano siya? Parang semi-maxi siya sa akin. Ito yung isa sa mga binibenta ko before. Yes, Mala? Later when we go back from time zone. Okay? You wanna put it back first? Ito yung dress niya na merong security tag. Alright, we are in the car. So, let's go. Let's go to time zone. Are you not hungry?
No.
What you need to eat? Maybe nuggets?
Yeah, nuggets. Nuggets.
Let's go to Macca's. Parang nabusog na ako, guys. Kumain ako po. Yeah. Hindi na lang kita. Dito. Tadun.
Maybe can I put me in nuggets and I can try Ali Dawit and I can eat it in...
Just French fries and chips. That's it.
No, French fries and nuggets and apple pie. Ali Dawit, mommy.
You want apple pie? What drink do you want?
Raspberry.
Raspberry too.
No, I just want
Blueberry?
blueberry.
Okay, we'll have that then. Ano na? Bakit ang dami nag-order at the same time? Maybe we go inside? Yeah, let's go inside. Huwag tayo mag-drive-thru. Okay. Wanna come inside with mommy? Let's go. Gusto niya pa maglaro dito sa loob. Hindi kami nag-drive-thru eh. Where is she? Hi! I can't see you. Here. Hi! Andito na siya. Sa kabila. Hindi niya kaya maakyat yun kasi super high for her. Mia, where are you? Kaya mo yan? Can you do it? Yeah? Okay, andyan sa loob. You get it? You can reach? Okay. Let's go, people. Mas mabuti kami na. Mas mabuti talaga na nag-drive-thru kami. Pero first time namin pumasok dyan sa Macca's. And nakapaglaro kasi Mia sa playground. Diba? Tagal namin nag-wait. Let's go to time zone. Go to time zone, Mia? Let's go to time zone? Yeah. So finish your food and stop drinking that. Finish your first. Eat your nuggets first. Give me that drink. Drink it later.
Hey, what's the apple pie?
Oh, forget the apple pie, baby. Sorry.
Get the apple pie back.
Yeah, later we'll buy it before we get home. Tingnan nyo, may nakita siya dito sa Skechers. You want that one?
The same one.
Is that with the light?
The same one. No?
This ones, but these ones are the big ones. Ito, ang cute. Ito actually, may pink tsaka purple. Ang cute. Mia, look. Look at this. Look at the pink one. Because you got purple already at home. This one's with the light. But I don't think they have size for you. Have to ask. Ang cute na nito. Kaya lang wala siyang... May light. Ah, may light din siya. Mia. Which one? Look. I think this one's for bigger size. This one's cute. Ito yung gusto ko.
What's the same as this?
Ha?
You know it's the same one?
Which one? The same as that? Which one?
The same as this.
Let me see. That's cute. But I think you need a bigger size. You like that one? Wala silang design. Wala silang 8 or 9 na to, guys. Ito yung maganda sana, oh. So, they only have that design, which is this. So, what? Mia? Mia? Busy siya drink. Mia? You like that? Or this one?
What's that?
Socks. That's the socks.
No, what is that?
Which one do you want? This one or that one you're wearing? This one. Oh, they don't have this one. So maybe we'll look for other... Yeah, the other store that they have this? Okay.
Yes, Mommy.
We have that at home. You have a vest like that at home.
Yeah, but look at this.
Tingnan niyo siya, nagsha-shopping siya mag-isa. Siya na talaga. Ano ko na, napa-remove ko na yung ano dito. Security tag.
What's this?
That's like, kinda, I don't know, a jacket, a raincoat. Do you like something?
It looks like for painting.
For painting? Yeah, the material. Feels like a smock, no? For
Yeah,
painting.
Yeah.
Look, she gets so excited. Tignan nyo. Actually, yung shoes niya sa Skechers, nakuha namin, guys. Tignan nyo siya. So, pina-order ko, kasi sa ibang branch lang merong size na yun. Yung una niyang gusto talaga. So, pina-order ko siya, delivered sa bahay.
Mommy, can you please get it for me?
Oh my gosh, you have a lot of puppet bag at home. I don't think you need that.
I really miss that.
Nagsha-shopping din siya. How about this?
Wow.
Yung perfect to pang daycare niya ba, oh?
See what is inside.
You like this one? A rainbow one. Mia. Mia, like this rainbow one? Oh, lala. Hindi niya natatantanan yung puppet na bag. Tingnan niya, sinuot niya yung bag. Pero mga nakasale dito, puro skirt, tsaka dresses. Meron na kasi si Mia nito. Binigay sa kanya ng cousin niya, sina Ascala Stella. So, meron siya niyan, pero ibang kulay. Pero ganyan yung design. Tapos, size to ni Mia. Kaya parang hindi niya bet. Si Gabi the Dollhouse. Pero maganda to sa winter. Size 4. Pwede niya din pang daycare. $12 na lang. 25 siya before. Kunin nga natin. Hanap ka. Oh. Help you what? Ito pa pala yung mga naka-clearance, guys. Tingnan natin. Size 4. Ito. Size 4 kay Mia. Gustong-gusto niya talaga yan.
I want this Mommy.
Hold it. Dito kami sa claw machine, ha?
Line up, Mommy.
You want pony? Ha?
I want to line up, Mommy. I want to
Oh,
line
you want
up.
pony here? Okay, line up here then. Gusto niya pony. Ayaw niya na Power Ranger. Sige, doon tayo sa pony. Okay, line up. Okay. Diba? Ay, wait lang. Which color do you want? Oh no! Mia! You didn't even put it properly. Pinindot niya na agad. Again. Which one? What color? Pink.
Right, yes.
The white one's cute. This one. White one with pink. The pink one?
Thank you.
Purple? Okay, mommy, do it because ay, don't touch this one. Wait. Ay! Hindi ako marunong sa claw machine nila. Oh no, you missed so many times. This is so hard to get, Mia. This is so hard.
Thank you.
Okay, wait. Wait, don't touch, ha? Oh no! Why? Oh, wala. No, we can't get it so many times. Wala talaga kaming nakuha doon after mga 5 times. Dito naman i-try niya.
Thank you.
Okay, ready? Oh! Oh my God! Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Thank you.
Pink one is hard to get. Oh, come on! Ah! Okay, last one. Last one. My gosh.
Thank you.
Maubos yung ano natin. No! Wala na. Okay, that's enough. Ito yung gusto niyang laruin. Hala! Hala, bakit nag-on agad? Nothing! Didn't get anything, Mia. Nothing! Mia, it's not good. We're not getting anything. It's not good. Come on. Shoot! One more! Shoot! Quick, Mia, shoot! Mia, you have time. Here, oh. Okay, shoot. Nasa taas na siya. Okay, shoot na, shoot! Where's the other ball? There. Shoot! Yay! One more. Why you wanna review or what? Shoot! Yay! Where's the other ball? Where's the other? It's 3. 3 more. Come on. Oh, wala na. Yay! Na ito nilalaro namin ni Mia. Wait lang. Tempo tayo. Oh my God, ang konti. Tignan niyo siya. Wala talaga. Ay! Wala talaga, Mia. Ito pala yung nakuha niya na gusto niya. Mia, don't put your head in there. Mia, don't put your head. Ay! Oh my gosh, ano ba yan? Yan lang yung nakuha niya. Oh, there! What was it? What is it? Dito kami sa rings. Ayan na. Okay, shoot it, Mia. Shoot. Doon tayo sa parang dark pink. Ay! Shoot! Good job! Hirap naman ito. Oh, wow! You did! Well done! Shoot it quick! We're running out of time! Uh-oh. That's her. Dito kami sa Best and Less. Tingnan niyo siya. Oh. Oh. Wala. Siya na talaga. May mga nakasale silang dresses dito. But Mia, look at her. Sige, ha pa. Dance pa. Cute to. Size 3. Kaya lang. Hindi pa kasya kay Mia. Tingnan niyo. Unicorn. Pang next year na. Oh, diba? Oh, may... No, don't kiss the mirror! Oh my gosh. Pakis pa talaga siya. Alright, that's enough. Come on. Alright, we are back in the car. Init sa car. The aircon on naman. Bumili ako sa Sushi Hub na sushi crab leg. Crab leg. Mia's eating her fairy floss. Ha? She said kaunta. Nakapag-shopping ako for Mia today. Dami pa lang nakasale. Best and Less, Target. Hindi ako nakapunta ng Kmart kasi sa ibang side siya. Hindi ko alam kung nakauwi na sila Daddy. Sino kaya panalo sa game ng Daddy Mia? Do you think Daddy will win? Okay guys! Bahay na tayo. Ito yung mga nabili natin. Mag-haul tayo. Ito yung mga pinili ni Mia dun sa exchange ng ticket sa time zone. Ito din, napanalunan niya dun sa candy, yung parang claw machine. Aga, dito, hindi to siya nakasale, pero $12 lang siya guys sa Best and Less. And ang ganda ng fabric niya. So, I've got the size 4 for her. And ito, $5 na lang yung mga ganito nila. It's the pineapple design. There you go. Toilet daw siya. Pinapa-take off niya sa akin yung dress niya pag nagto-toilet. Ayaw niya nang hinahawakan yung dress. Ang ganda ng dress na to. Ito yung isang design, butterfly. She loves butterfly as well. Yeah, that's the butterfly. So, $5 lang yan, guys. And this one, $7. It's the top, which is the cute top. Ang ganda din ng tela. And then, ito, cords. Pwede niya pa ito magamit. $15 to. Cords siya. Ganyan. Nagbakasyon kami sa Pinas tsaka Vietnam. She can wear this kasi mainit doon. Ito, kinuha niya sa exchange ng ticket. Pero dito, masarap siya. May sour, may sweet, tapos may fruity. Ito din. Yung exchange ng ticket sa time zone. Yung slap band. Cute unicorn. Ayan siya. Purple. Sa claw machine. Oh, you're done? Alright, I like that cords. Ang cute sa kanya. Kaya lang maluwag yung skirt, guys. Pero pwede siya pag nakaganyan, no? But anyway, yeah. I like this color. She loves purple as well. This one, 12. Naka-clearance din to. Yes.
But then this is baby and I'm the kitty.
Okay.
But the kitty's the dress valley.
$12 from $25. Ito hindi naka-sale. Binili ko lang siya because it's cute. $25 to talaga. Ayan. Hello people. We are going to my parents' house. Wala pa din sila Daddy. Hindi pa tapos yung kanilang laro. Oh, yung hiding! Ay, naku. Balak ka. Hindi naman siya kahinaid. Sadie, hide here.
What's that?
What do you have? What does Mia have?
May I see?
Where'd you get that from? Go say hi to Daddy Lou. Bless Daddy Lou. Bless Daddy Lou na.
May I see? Can I see? Can I see the watch? This is a watch or
Just a bracelet.
Wow.
Go, bless Daddy Lo na. Bless Daddy Lo.
At maayos ka, may tubig, may kuryente, may sewage, may
Hey, Daddy Lo. Silly Mia. Silly Mia.
meron silang landlord tenant law.
I'm trying a fish right now.
Massage tayo, massage.
Wow!
French fries. Make French fries.
What did you draw?
A French fry.
Show mommy.
Sorry,
A French fries? Oh my god, so cute. Show people your French fries. Can you see? Can people see your French fries? No, not too close. Nag-drawing siya. French fries. Mia tried the massage before. Was it good? You tried the massage? Yeah. Na-try mo na ni Noeng massage? Wala pa ang sahit.
Así bibida permi.
Oh, gana mi. Ano gani? Wala rin man sa...
Dugay-dugay. Dugay-dugay. May nga tinambay to ka. Huwag magamit. Pumakuha sa box. Ang imo ka itong inatag itong amo na. Ba't siya din na to ha? Kung makita na.
Ang ano?
Itong isa pa ba lang itong ginamo amo na. Buto ha? Nami ito kay ga-vibrate.
Itong...
French fries.
Itong
French fries, mommy. French fries, mommy.
French fries? Oh my god, that's a big French fry. That's a small one? That's a large one.
Yeah, now I'm doing this small one again.
Sit down.
Oh, nag-lipstick pa. Tapos na tayo manood ng Rogue Agent. We're done watching that. Yan yung pinanood namin. True story siya. Mia, oh my god, look at me, your lips. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go home na. Say bye to Daddy Lo. To everyone. Mamila, Tita Pretty, Tita Pearl, Tito Janjan. Go. And then we go. Oh, quick, Daddy's home na. Wow! Mia got a medal!
say?
Palobat na yung camera. Kanina pa to nalobat.
What does it say?
Who's the winner? Daddy is the... Does it say? Runner-up. Wow, Mia's got a medal.
Try it, try it.
Ay, naku, kanina ka ba kumakain?
Mommy, try it.
Bahay na pala kami, guys. Can you say goodnight, people?
Good night, people.
Good night. Mia and Mommy will just play here for a little bit. Ano na naman, role-playing na naman. I am the baby. This is a baby.
Mommy, but I want water.
Oh, your water? Where did I put my water? Ayun, maglalaro pa daw kami guys sa bed. Ayun mga babies niya. May mermaid, doggy. So yeah, anyway, good night guys. Hope to see you next time. Bye! Bye people!
Bye.